What's he doing?
I know we're not playing catch in the
All right, guys, so really quickly before this upload begins, now this is not an ad or anything like that. It's far, far more important. Every year, myself and my local police department put on a canned food and toy drive. It's always a really great event. Savage Garage has always been there. I'm pretty sure they will be there this year again, but it's huge, tons of cars. I'll be there with all my cars, the Viper, the ZR1, some trucks. It'll be epic. I'll be handing out posters. There will be some merch there. So if you want to come hang out and support a great cause, please do. All the info will be down below, as well as there is a flyer on my Instagram. Again, this is a great time of year, but a lot of people need our help, and you guys have always been so generous. The events have been a great success, and they grow every year. So please, if you can make it out, all the info is down below, and let's make this year even bigger. Let's help some kids and families in need and have some fun with cars. So I'll see you there, and don't forget to bring a new toy or a non-perishable food item. Thank you. No way, I looked out the window and I saw, oh my God, is it true? Yes, it is true. There are a few here, snowflakes. Oh my God, look at them coming down. Good morning, hope all of you guys are having a great day, and hopefully you live somewhere where it's warm. Regardless, it's going to be an awesome day. The Ram 3500 is warming up for us right now, and that is the lift kit for the OG Duramax. But first, we are selling the stock wheels and tires from this truck, and we're gonna meet the guy over at the shop. Driving the Black Bison, the big Ram 3500, and I can't believe I have a Cummins now. I'm gonna have to like start chewing and wearing cowboy boots. It's a whole, like, I really have to change the whole setup. Big question is though, could I do this? I'm sitting here thinking the whole time in this traffic, you know, could I do this for 24 hours all the way to Texas with the Viper behind me? I think I could. It's comfortable. It's got plenty of room for all my McDonald's and the other food I'll be having. So I feel like I could. I mean, why not? I will say though, I drive to the Outer Banks a lot. We go all the time. I don't mind it. It's about 7 hours. Sometimes more or less if I'm really flying. But when I get there, I'm kind of like, man, thank God I'm off the road. And that's only 7 hours. So I'm about to do like, well, realistically 4 times that. And that's a long, I mean, I really gotta give props to truck drivers, man, I do. And my grandfather was one after the war. And you know, it's a tough job. And some people don't mind it at all. But I really, like, I don't know. I think it's, I can't sit for that long. I like to be active and up, and that gets to me. Ooh, look at that. He's got the long bed version, and that rattling noise is those hubcaps, not the truck. My new truck is not falling apart, but there he is. Finally here. I'm sorry, man, I'm sorry. I am sorry. It's normally not a long drive to get over here. I saw these guys DM me, and I saw the picture of the Ram on their profile, and I was like, all right, these guys are legit and not trying to waste my time, because that happens all the time when you post on Instagram, or, you know, people will DM and they're just asking me ridiculous questions. But these guys are legit, and you can see their Ram there, their tow rig, and the Black Bison. Not a crazy difference, but that leveling kit is a little bit higher. I will say it's actually kind of cool to see Black Bison next to a stock one. It's quite a bit bigger for just a level. Again, nothing crazy on 35s, but they both look really good, and thank you to these guys for taking the wheels and tires off my hands. Look at that, boys, making money, I love it. I love making money because I spend a lot of it. And there is Shane. He's like, who are those guys? What's up, buddy?
I was just getting ready to call him and be like, yo, why are all the Dodges here?
Who's those guys?
Yeah, I was like, wait, we got a bunch of Dodges coming in. How do they
Dodge gang, dude. Dodge gang, Ram gang.
Dude, it looks sick.
Oh, I love it. Looks real good.
Oh, man.
She's all stout, dude. Oh, real
so
wide. I know, right?
I didn't know how I was going to feel with a big wide dude.
Guys, well, since we're at the shop, I have to let you know this is it. But that's the good news. This is it. So you won't have to hear about the Z06 and the 450 anymore, because there is only, I mean, it's essentially over. Now, right now, when I'm filming this, you can see there is 7 hours left on the countdown timer. By the time you see this, it should be like man, maybe 3 if I can edit pretty quick. So you do have 3 hours, and a few of our winners have entered on the last night, the last day. Sometimes the last minute ones are the luckiest, but yeah, you know, get yourself something cool, get a family member, a friend, something cool, get a neat Christmas present for them, and it might just come with a pretty much brand new AnyLevel F450 Platinum and 20 grand, or a built C8 Z06 plus 10 grand. We've got lots of really cool stuff on the website, but yes, you only have like 2 or 3 hours left when you see this upload. But yes, check out the website, InShaneDesigns.com. Link is down below. Every $1 that you spend gets you 5 entries for each vehicle automatically. So 5 for the truck and the 20 grand, and 5 for the vet, and 10 grand for every item you buy. So you can see, like, you know, detail spray, whatever, 125 entries. It shows you the entries on there for everything on the site. It's winter time, it's getting cold, so we got you covered. We got the new hoodies, the Bakery 47 hoodie right there in black, super cool. We also have the new jackets, the LGBs. You guys are loving these, and make sure you wear them to your family events. Key tags, all kinds of different flags, pull to eject, student driver, remove before flight, hearing loss may occur. Great colors on that, check it out. Come and take it, tropical key tag, just came in fresh heat. On to the goodies here, the full 717 detail line. We have our new bug cleaner, the glass cleaner, car wash, concentrate, tire shine, detail spray, the interior cleaner, and our #1, the wheel and soot. That is our strongest and, in my opinion, the best product we have. Just got these in, the new drawstring bags, 717 camo and the LGB. Your school will love that. Camo backpacks, all kinds of different hats. The we did that, the we did that stickers. Bobby's new Pew Pew Christmas tree shirt, very cool. The last thing I'll show you, but it's a freaking game changer because we are the exclusive distributor for Aruga's wing sauce. All of it's really good. You can't go wrong, but I myself, I like the hot. Now, I'm still very, very white, so I can't go that hot, but I do like hot. I like to be on the hot end of the spectrum. Kangaroo sauce, the honey barbecue, almost everything, and even more on the website. You guys will love it, and I can't wait to hear what you have to say. Get entered to get those last minute entries in, and good luck, guys. I'll be seeing one of you very soon. Unless the winner is a very, very, very lucky person, we will have 2 winners, but you could theoretically win both. One person could win both. I doubt that's going to happen, but yes, one of you in a few short days will be the winner of that truck and 20 grand. And then if you get your entries in right now, you're also entered for the Z06 automatically. My God, look at it now. It's really coming down. I was like foolishly thinking, I was like, oh, we'll go the whole winter, no snow, it'll be fine. I don't know why I think that. Every year I think like, oh, it won't be a bad winter, but it's not even December yet and it's snowing like this. Whew, we could be in for a long one, boys. We could be in for a long one. I'm gonna have to bulk up. Let's go deliver this to PDW and check out the OG. Now, I would take the Black Bison over there, but I have to pick up my trailer and I don't have a hitch for that truck yet. Now, this truck uses a little hitch, and then I had to buy a huge one for the 450. That one's like this freaking big. And then that one has one that's so all of these trucks have a different size hitch, which means I had to buy a different one for each truck. Now you can actually buy, they have these little like sleeve things, but I feel like, you know, if I'm gonna have the truck, I might as well invest in like the real whole thing. But you can see they're all freaking different. That is a pretty small one. And then the 450 is massive. Like I can almost put my fist in it. And this one is kind of in between. Not as big as the 450, but not as small as the TRX. Yeah, we're gonna have to, we'll have to disassemble it. Let me see if I can make this work in 3, 2, 1. Bam, it worked. Okay, now there is a lot of stuff in here. Let me just sum it up by saying this. It's all really good stuff, Fox, shocks, all the goodies, and it's going to be epic, I promise. We're at PDW, and you already know I'm snacking on the bundle box because it's tradition, I couldn't not bring Shane a bundle box. Man, it was maybe 5 years ago, Shane said, hey, can you go grab us some lunch? And I was like, yeah, sure. He said, get me a bundle box at McDonald's. Now, I thought he was joking. I had never heard of a bundle box. The rest is history, and I'm a bundle box believer now. But yes, let's go check out the OG, and we'll talk to Shane.
Oh, that's one for winner. Oh, what's up?
What's up? Now I gotta bleep. I gotta do a bleep already. I just walked in.
So what do you? Oh, do you want to come get the wheel?
I got the lift kit, so I'll drop it off and show them the truck real quick. Yeah. I wanted to.
You taking your trailer?
Yeah, I'm gonna get my trailer also.
And then 2 wheels?
Yes. Yep. This is mine. It's gonna be crazy seeing that truck like on the road again. I can't wait. But my GoPro keeps dying. It has plenty of battery. I don't know what's going on with it. These things are so, I need to get a new one, or a new, better yet, I should get a real freaking camera. It's been 6 years, but it keeps dying. I'm sorry guys, the footage is gonna be all screwed up, but where even is my truck? My trailer's way in the back. Where the heck is it? There she is, way in the back, way in the back. It looks so freaking sad. There she is, and it's been pushed back even more. We're going the wrong way. We're going more towards the swamp. We need to be going towards the road. But this week, I think on Wednesday, the truck will be brought into the shop, and I will show you guys all of that. I can't wait for the rebuild. There she is. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was talking to Gina last night, getting really excited and nostalgic about this truck, and look at my switch, my tunes on the fly, my Roland Cole tune. Yeah, I mean, this truck that was my first ever big truck purchase, and you know, I wanted one forever. Love it. Great truck, and it's gonna be freaking sick. It's mint condition. Once we get it back on the road, I mean, you can see the inside, everything is mint. Oh my God. Everything is mint, and she'll be on the road again real soon. Let me just tell you that. Oh man, still can't believe it wrecked, but we'll be back. I promise, guys. We will be back, and better than ever. Literally way better. There you go, everything in the back. Thank you guys for being patient, and again, the next time you see the OG, she'll be in the shop on, well, shortly driving under her own power. I can't freaking wait. It's been way too long. Guys, well, we're back at home, and my apologies, you know, not an action-packed vlog, I will say. I was hoping to get a lot more done, but it just, man, the weight on parts and everything is crazy, and just trying to get stuff done is sometimes really difficult. And I've been working on this OG Duramax project now and ordering parts and doing stuff for a while. Like behind the scenes, so much is going on. But some really exciting news. I mean, the Viper's going down to Calvo really soon. The dualies are coming along great. And on that note, the reason why the 450 is still here, I wanted to keep you guys posted. Our winner actually got COVID, so he couldn't come up here, and you know, so the truck has been in my driveway, but it's sitting here chilling, waiting for Montana, and you know, we wish him a speedy recovery. So he will be up whenever that's all cleared up and he's good to go. So that's why the dually is still here. I didn't want you to think like, you know, what happened to the winner, something like that, but should be soon. So the dualies are doing well, and everything else is going well. And like I said, this is the last night for the giveaway. So you won't have to hear me talk about that freaking F450 and the Z06 anymore. Well, the Z06 you will for a little bit, but I'll lay off. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you're excited for the OG Duramax. I am, and next upload might just be about the Viper. Oh, and the toy drive. Make sure you guys make it out to the toy drive if you can. If you did enjoy this upload, give it a big thumbs up. Take care. Have a great night. I'll see you in the next one.